Mawhati TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya, an unemployment-free Meghalaya. Congress is committed towards providing a job to every household in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
National Vice President jaga BJP Dr. M. Chuba Au ulahir sa kasnong umsa ulat Riboy District ka badang po ka Mawhati constituency na kabantapan Jingkular nagipat ba man Pynjop ya Kyrtong ka BJP na Mawhati Dr. Everest Mersing. Hakani kijingalang lasak hilang daw Kyrtong jang ka BJP Dr. Everest Mersing Presiden ka BJP Mawhati Mandal Baksyan Borlang Rempay kinoy lam jang ka parti BJP na kajala bat na Riboy District.
Dr. Choha O, the National Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Party and in charge of Meghalaya. Respected sir, we extend our warm wishes to you and pray to God for your good health, that you may continue to lead our nation to a prosperous, peaceful and developed nation. I, on behalf of Umsalai village, which is on 8 Mawhati constituency, the most backward constituency in our state. Ours is a village standing at the heart of the constituency, which is lacking in all the basic needs in all spheres, including road connectivity, education, health infrastructure, sport infrastructure, etc. It has been 51 years our state has achieved its statehood. We were being neglected by our government from the state and our representatives. But under your vision and guidance at the central, with implementations of our various schemes benefiting the frame and the poorer sections of society and uplifting rural community such as ours, we could see a ray of hope and path leading to a better future. Therefore, we put through this memorandum highlighting the utmost need and requirements of our village. Number 1, vocational training center. Number 2, football stadium. And number 3, lay market.
If you want helicopter every day, you must vote to Bhaivars for BJP. I have received Darbar from Sinung Umsalai village, so that they have given 3 points their demand for the village. Number 3 is okay, but number 1 and 2, which is government schemes, are there. That is what I will not promise here because of code of conduct will court me. That is why this matter, once awareness is there, this matter is done for you.